pada itu dekat sorkar nalor ketiin paring. Yaro Menteri Rangba Gajela ukon rat ke sangma ya ke sorkar pedeng bawan ra ya ka an bahak kerpang ya kentai hapo ke ying dor bar thawan. La ajing mud ban itu ya gijaka sa nam Gajela hapo ki skim National Tourism jong ke sorkar pedeng ka Swadesh Darshan bat Prazat. Syakjid Uhariwanj Klemdan Baaireng Persya kum usembut Syangkunor ke Ying Dorbar Raja Sabha. Batla du Gajela Meghalaya ha kelempung Khelo India Pencak Silat League Arajar Apusan Ahajar Apunri. Mentang ini Pashwa Shiki Kubor na Keleng Gajela. Kakenhun Menteri Gajela Meghalaya kala mencur ya ka hukum ban itu ya kektien KHASI bat garu kum kektien sorkar lani kekerdan official language ringkat bat kektien padeng kabadai kecing trei ka bakongsan ka batmu ban penwandur themai ya ka sensyar ka khadar bat pen klein ru ya gecingele ban kentup lang ya kektien riulum hapo ka kernet ka papra jongkariti sensyari. Saha kawai pat karai ka pakraw ka kinhun menteri kala mencur bantau ya ka Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency kum ka snat trei kam ban pej ban kmi ha ka bayadei bat kinyut kinyer na ka daw jaga jingyar kloy jong ka sor ka kinhun menteri kala mencur ru ya ki jingkala ha ka an Meghalaya Real Estate Regulation and Development General Rules arajar arpo ban penbet renti ya ki jingsiu jong ki chairman bat ki dukhot bat ki wei pat ki snat trei kam ka sorkar ban pentikna ya ki jingyar renti ha baro ki snat trei kam.
Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on, apart from English, KHASI and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing KHASI and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in KHASI and Garo and debate in KHASI and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. There was a strong need for a creation of a Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency. This has been done, of course, after consultation with close to about 100 localities in the Greater Shillong area. As and when the localities desire that this agency provide the services to them, only then will the particular locality be serviced through this particular agency.
Menteri Rangba Gajela ukon rat ke sangma hinin kesni ulayro ya ka sorkar kami na ka daw ba kalawan ra ya ka ain ka ba ai bha kerpang ya ki kentai hapo ka yin dorbar thau an da ka baong ba ka de ka sinjam ban sa kenmau ha ka baya de bat ke jingpen ku bor ki kentai ha ka san himasima ha baya kren bat kilat pathai ku bor usangma ula penshai ba ka ni ka ain ka de ka bala dawa la slembha bat ula pen pa wi jing sngongu ya Menteri Rangba du changkari na ka benta ba ula sei ya ka ni shakma Ula ongru bakani ka an kan pli khambun kilat kilenti na kabenta ki kenthai ban syakri kum kinong mikmat pajba bat ban penklan ya kabenta chongki kum kinong yalam ha ka san himasima.
The government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister, this has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which, as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform, and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat Ki Sangma Henin Janmit Ulayakendu Ikinong Mikmat Jong Kaseng KHASI Author Society Hapo Secretariat Bad Ula Pentip Yaki Bakakenhun Menteri Gejala Kala Menjer Ban Itho No Yakaktian KHASI Bad Garu Kum Kiktian Sorkar Gejala Meghalaya U Presiden Kakas U Dr. DRL Nonglan Rengkat Gejing Senran Lang Dekidukot Ula Penpau Yakijing Sengungu Jong U Yakasorkar Dakabaong Bakani Kalong Umawer Ban Sakan Mau Nakabenta Kani Kaseng Ula Ong Bakaseng Kanang Penjur Syu Yagijingale Nakabenta Ban Penrung Yakaktian KHASI Haka Kernit Kabapra Jong Kariti Sensyari.
But till now, our demand has not been materialized. So while pursuing the follow-up action with the center, we thought in the meantime it is important that KHASI be made as a full-fledged official language. In fact, it was through our initiative only that the government of Meghalaya in 2005 brought up a bill in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly making KHASI and Garo as associate official languages. But that status is not enough. The KHASI language is still something like secondary to the English language, which is the state official language. So we thought that it is important to make KHASI a full-fledged official language.
Kijing Pershang Kilayat Shakmat Ban Kentup Lang Yakijaka Letniam Tenrai Gajala Meghalaya Ki Tamasa Bapher Bad Kijaka Sanam Hapot Ki Program Jingok Kai Perthei Ki Bakong Santam Jongka Sarkar Pedeng Kaswadish Darshan Bad Prazan Unong yalam kasing BJP ubadeiru UMLA kapentor umkra uba ALHEG ulas dang yagijing ekren bat kinong yalam jong kasing Hanongba New Delhi ban yo yagijing gershan kijaka kiputa ki tamasa bat kiwe ki bala itu hangni ki kentup ya kaseng kasikmi ka tamasa be den klam harilum jaintia bat kinu ki badan jingade bat kaniam tri Kijing ai jingmut ki kentup ru ikikam jingok kai perthei kat kum kariti dostur lani ka cultural tourism kum ka shat nongkrem hapo hima khairim ki jaka sa nam kerpang ki balang kristan kum ka yeng mani presbyterian hanong saulia hasora bat ka krem mau jembun hamau senram kaban long kat kum ka jingmenjur chong ki dor barshnong.
We said that we want to develop the Sengasi Sengkumi, one of the religious site which is very, very need of the hour to develop that site, and also the club at Jaintia Hills. This for the benefits of that Niam tree for Jaintia Hills, for benefits of the Jaintia people of the Jaintia district. And also I have also proposed this to my central leader regarding the first Christian church in Meghalaya, maybe in the Northeast, is the Presbyterian Church at Nong Saulia, Sora. So we want also to do the beautifications and development of that kind of, from that Swadesh Darshan scheme or the Prasad scheme. And also the Catholic Church, they have so many places. So whatever it is the best for the, the church, where which one we want to develop for the pilgrimage and also for the religious side. It will not only for religious side, it will be attract the tourists coming from all over the country and also from the outside the country. And also, I have already discussed with the headman of Mount Sanram area. He's a assistant headman. Also, I told him also if we can develop the Mount Jumbin, the popularly known as the Shivling Cave at Mount Sanram. That
Yaka district level science, mathematics and environment exhibition nakabenta ki kena jong usnam arajar arposan arajar arpun rio la penlong ha SMELC building the kop kreatura hapwa kapang pedeng stem for Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. USK saha DSEO Balashong Thai Jangka West Garo Hills ulawan shimbenta kum ukong san hakaba ulakentu yaki kena school bakin yailong kibawat cingtip barabor bat kiban trangru ya karoi kapar kabanne shipotali ki school kilaya shimbenta hakaba I Chidora en Marak Naka School Bidanchi Higher Secondary School Kalawan Beningkong nakabenta ka hydroelectric pinter generation system ka kusnam ka baar kalalet siya I Balkam Juango Jongka School Rootland Secondary School nakabenta ka solar lower irrigation system with rainwater harvesting katba Ugarat Ashton I Sangma Jongka Tura Public School ula khurya ka kusnam ka balai da ka project halor ka bor jongka sngi bat kal air lani ka solar and wind energy.
Happy to be here. I have seen in the letter this year's main theme STEM means Science, Technology, Environment, Mathematics or Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. My dear students, do you know the meaning of Viksit and Atmanirbhar? Viksit means developed, blossom, a flower blossom fully developed. And Atmanirbhar means self-dependent, means self-sufficient.
Yaka Jal Gaurav Saman Arajar Arpun Rio Lapenlong Ha West KHASI Hills Hapok Gajal Jivan Mission Ban Itu Gerpang Bat Le Burom Yakishnong Kitau Bat Yaki Rio Shimet Nakabenta Gijing No Sinyang Bapalat Liam Jongki Hakaban Pene Yaki Kiwa Kashnong Nong Sopian Bat Kati Sao Kilayo Ya Kajing Itu Bakerpang Nakadaw Bakilayo Kur Ya Kakusnam Jal Mahotsaf Award Arajar Arpun Rio Naka President Jongkari India Henrio tali ki wei pat kishnong ka mau langkhar dom ko sam nong sprung sao telang bat ka selai yaw klen kilayo ya ki khusnam district level na kabenta ka chingpentbit na kabenta ka jingbit chingbyang ki kiwa la samru ya ki khusnam shikiriu shimet hakabala ai buram kerpang ya ka yeng ka sem I phul daris walang na kabenta ki kam jangki ban penne pensa iki kiwa bat kumjuru ya unong trei master rule uba Rocky Stars im ubala pentikna ban penbyang ya ka umbam umdi kababyang
Sipun ki benta ki bagi hapan pendap lembaga negara jajam tu ki performa ki format ngai ba ki bagi hapan teng kena kalian jong ki TPMU kalian jong ki engineer SU ki ki sanang ya patai detail pi tangkawi ka kan persno ni ka puar kalong ba kaum kalong ka bakodor hadu kata-kata bala dangi elek kamkai ya ka menta ngimtip ka ai kebancia hakane paten ka berban ngedur hadin sanpo sunam hadin sanpo sunam piye mudur bukan ka pudi kana biang nanba tharai nam tuai hadin sanpo sunam Kadang-kadang nampak je ini nak dua cerai.
Ka Joint Action Committee trong Kaseng East Giant Hills Truck Owners Transport Association bat Kaseng Giant Hills Truck Owners Association kalasya ya shipotali ki truck kit daubilan balatip kum ki truck balka bakin mi wat hapdeng gajing ki persya baklembu por persya ya gajing wan trekam chongki hakate ke district kani karai kala long hadien gajing kerpat na ki board penya district ban pelat ki truck ki bakit daubilan ki bom syam la yo jingtip hakapor ke babiang hakabaya dei bat ni kajing ki persya u president ka EJHTOTA bad u secretary chong ka JAC uba kirshan khar ula pentikna ba la ailat menta shisin da ka ba banjur ba kajing ki persya kandang beteng bad maham persya ru bagi trok ki bawan phai biang ken sangat ha gijing e
Achim ya garai wa opdiam ni ya gani kajing kerpat yang di bor district nei bha snau thoi wa nagapor sagapor ladu osdang i yagani ga strike ladu khaso tarik u niubna April arja arfanru man go skit yo skit wa gajing lang wa ke bor district wa i man go ko chach karu kamte chim wa gani to gajing kerpat yang ki i ne yang ila em gajing snau ne ba heman ru bon gajing bakla yang i karu kamte snau khia ya gani chim i ga rai de gajing manjor lang waro kit kot arsing yang ni ke JAC kita to kit kot yang Giant Hill Truck Owner Association wa kit kot yang East Giant Hills Truck Owner and Transport Association dekat komte hadin udah chim ya gerai da yo i aga karin nambar na gini gi boring district ka wachi pautlin ni te wa gini kari
ka Sinjip Kirang Bashnong Ribhoi District kalapenlong ya kejialang ka bakirpang chongka Executive Committee chongka Hasaiden ban yakren halor kimat ki bakongsan bat ban raru ya gijing dawa chongki hakmat ka sarkar hapo gajing penyaj u President uba Bibi Makdo bat u General Secretary uba PB Seliang kani kejialang kala persya ya gijing khot thep tanda chongka sarkar ban penbiang ya kimar ki mata na ka benta ka scheme MGNREGS da ka babanchur ba gajing penbiang ya kini kidai ban hab hapo ki Village Employment Council kani ka committee kala persya jur halor gajing don ka kherdop pulit hakwinain hakaba kila penpau ba kabu jing e ya gijing rep bat kala penpau ru ya karukom trekam ka bomler setia jongga jal jivan mission kidekhot kila ken tho persya ru ya gijing le jongga election commission ban pediang ya ki sernot bala ai da ka sarkar klem gajing pensisha na ki buat penyachno
kalau to kini gajing semua do sarkar aliang tinggi ki noi ram snong ki chairman ki VC ni persajur hal kini bata kawi kejumut nilarai ba ka sarkar kali ban pendek bej kumba juyat persekata hakaba ki vendor kindehi gitu ki ba ka VEC kala dapat menjur ke ba ka VEC kala dapat approve bat nginom pedang dari liru ba ya ka material jong ke MGNRGS on su kot tendarno kumba tumbu da ka sarkar halo kini nak kalian cukup sunjuk nilai yakut ban pak da ka jingtho sya u minister beri concern jaga sinar di blok nak benta ban penpau ke jing persya bukum juru sya u deputy commissioner bat sya u PD jongka Ribhoi district kamat kabar ka bengliok ban ya keren hakani ka sigi kalong ba nakaleng jongka nakaleng jongka sunjuk ka jingat lenti ke jongka nila sebodon kam ban khot ya ka general council jongka sunjuk kirang ba snong ha Ribhoi district hakabaya kani ngilesim ya karai bangin khot haka pratrik jong upnai me arajar arpunriu ka District Ayush Society West Giant Hills kalarake ya kasni buram World Homeopathy Day ha District Library Auditorium Minthong hapo ka phangpedeng Homeopathy for Sustainable Health i Additional Deputy Commissioner B Bla ilaya shimbenta ha kani kasni kum ikongsan ha kaba ilaya ro ya kinong sumar ba kilaken tieu ya karukom sumar homeopathy kabala ban kotbor bat ilapen pauru ya gijinglong bakongsan chungki rukom ajing sumar ki ba pher hapo ka ayush isembut kongsan i Dr. H.J. Yuria ila bancur halor gajing ajing sumar kababha bat gajing shingan chungki nongpang katba i Dr. Bonnie T. Hing
ila banjur halor ke rukam sumar habarok kiliang jangka homeopathy bad ki rukam sumar ki bom darim dor than la penlong ru ya gajinya kop tho ese kumshi banta na kani ka program ha kabala samru ya ki khusnam shakinong jam.
Many of the times that we come here, I was very impressed with some of the students here who are sitting here. When the nodal officer of Ayush was giving her speech and she was giving the full form of Ayush, I was very impressed that many of your students have taken out their notes to write down what it means. This is what is the purpose of us sitting here today. Not to come here, not just have tea, meet friends. So I commend the students from these schools because this is a way of learning, of understanding many things. It is not only what we learn in our books and in our lectures in school, but it is also for us to open our minds when we come for such program to learn new things.
Keyboard pulit hapo East KHASI Hills kilanang penjur shu ya gejingyat pahara chongki khamtam hakapor miet habaro kawe kanong ba shilong hadien ba gejing syatu chongki baik kalanang jur yakaba lakenno ru bakadon gejingya dei bat gejing khayitu yaki shari Bangladesh u superintendent chongki pulit uba Vivek Sim ula ong ba lakham penbun yaki pulit pahara kibayat dakakchan bat kumjuru yaki bayat keleng kanong ba daki kali hakaba la penlong yaki Jakarta lasi hakapor miet haki caka ki bakongsan bantalasi yaki kali bat banyada na kinu ki kambi an ula pen paru bana ki jingto kit badangshen la shem ba yaki baik bala syatu la khayitu sha shilang khaput kabala pen long yaki ban khamper king shushu bante lakam yaki ken hun nong tu.
See, when it comes to law and order, first thing is we intensify our foot patrolling, mobile patrolling. We have our nakas at night. If you move around the city at night, you'll find our nakas different junctions. They do checking to prevent any subversive activity, to prevent any theft. Now with the rampant bike thefts, where actually a lot of bikes are being smuggled or are stolen and smuggled to Bangladesh, so our nakas are there. So, and also we have one responsible officer who actually is there for the night. He's called the night hunter, and he moves around, moves around to all the thanas and supervises all the functioning of all the law and order formations and arrangements.
Laingut ki briu ki basyong hakakali Maruti Espresso kilalait thau klem damen sau AARUM hadien ba kakali chongki kalayatingkhu bat kawe katrok hasurok ba National Highway Nriu hajan nongpo hakajan miet si balang yakani kakali red lanya da usapan dep bat ladon nang kakhun jong u ka shiantika dep bat ukanish bhatat charchi kibadei narenja shilong bat kitmuru banlet shakwati hakapor ba kilakum sanga yakatrok kabaya chakman kakali Espresso kala julor buon na kibenta basyakmat chongka Henry omsham nadan manu-manuru kiban mensau hakani gejingja kipulit kila poikloi syagani kecaka bat kila sedang ya gejingto kid halor gani gejingja. Ka New Hope CLF Multipurpose Cooperative Society kala play patba ya ka breastfeeding hut lani katrap ay bun khun ha mission mairang ban penbet penbiang ya kacaka kabasngan bat kabasngosok na kabenta kilong kami kibadang ay bun khun ya kani kacaka la play patba da UGRDO uba Jeremiah si lengwa hagajinga don lang jeng kinong yalam shnong kidkhot ka CLF bat kinong sha khot sngoba uba lingwa ulayaro yakani gijingle jongki kum gijingkershan kabakongsan na kabenta ka program 1000 Days Nutrition katba i chairperson em kharjana ila penshai baya kani kaying trap latha banyarap ikilong kami kibalet shimdawai kibalet school bat shakiyo kihan kibashem janjar banyo ekachaka kababyang ban aibun yiki khunret jongki
SSG ki kibashni kibalong perkhat kham shakhmat kiba lese mo bunsin ki perkhatan ka livelihood activities hendrai ngapet por mengarung ka office ka jompi ngapet ki priorities ki jompi ngi bakadan ka health sanitation bat ka nutrition dai ka de ka priority jom ka de ka silang te kumta lingba gitu ki priorities la ban penwan nya kani but lingba kaniru kalong kaway ba lese kala ban address ya kata ka bagi ang ka stunting dai nomor kata ka stunting hapo ka jela bro kaway kadang ka study ba hapo West KHASI Hills katuga por dai ka mayrang kadang hap ka West KHASI Hills hagitu ki por kapit i baka may ka West KHASI Hills bro kaway kadi ka ba hetab kata ka stunting rate
ka District Legal Services Authority West KHASI Hills kala penlong ya ka program Aijing Tib Nalsa Don hayau mairang ban pensyai padba halor gijing ma jang gijing pendon kam ya udrong haba Aijing kran ha kani kasni na kalyang ka DLSA District Social Welfare Office bad ka mairang police station kila bancur halor gijing kta jang udrok ya ka koi ka khia ha kalyang ka perkhat perdan bad ya ka imlang salang shu kila kran halor ki an Aijing ada na ki kam thombor ya ki khlung khna Hakani kasni lawan ban shimbanta da Chief Judicial Magistrate DMKS Shadam haringkat kiwe ke hes sarkar bad kinong yalam shnong ka CRC SRE Shillong haringkat kecingnya Langgar Regional Blood Center Pasture Institute kila penlong ya ka program blood donation kam kum kadak ban rakhi ya ka World Hemophilia Day ya kani ka program lapli da director Dr. Ram Shakal Sahani da kajing tmu ban pen sngotu padba halor kajing pang hemophilia bad kajing ais nam mon snobha I Dr. Alia na Regional Blood Center ila ajing hikai halor kani kajing pang ki daw chongka bad kajing dan kam ban sumar hakapor ka babyang ki nong trei ki khna puli bad ki nong trei mon snobha kilawan ban shimbanta shit hem ha kani kasngi mentang ini apa shiki kubor nak leng katan chatai lamingi kibor pahara kila pensange ya karali kabalalong ha sing jamai impal kabapen pau ya kijing persha halor kakam thombor ha trong lobi lala ban penpra ya upat ba hagani karali hadian baki bor pahara kila pendon kam dakil air pensat khman kani ke jingcha ka penpa wi ke jingchur chong ke kenrum kenram hagani ka than hakaba ki bor penya kidang persang ban penjai jai ya ke jing long jing man bat ban penne ya ka shong suk shong san mentangin ya phai shaki khubor na kelengkari Usembut Presiden Kari Ubalongru Ushongkonor Jangka Raja Sabha UCP Radhakrishnan Ulayaro halor gajing syajit jang Harivanch Klemdon kanu gajing aireng persya kum usembut Shongkonor Jangka Raja Sabha dakaba ong ba kapenpau gajing shania bat gajing buram na baro kiseng san perthai Shushu ulapen pau gajing sngoskam ba Harivanch unbeteng ban syakri da gajing long bakirpang gajing kitkli gajing bom sya shiliang bat gajing IT lut gajang
of Shriman Harivanchji's re-election to this high constitutional office for the third consecutive time is in itself a rare distinction. It reflects not only continuity but also consistency in the discharge of duties marked by fairness, restraint and an unwavering commitment to the highest traditions of parliamentary democracy.
mentang ini apa shaki kubor na keleng kepertai Kari Israel bat ka Lebanon kilas tang ya gijing sange yaset kabadairu kasinjam kabakongsan ban pencai-jai ya gijing yakan at hasilanter kicaka khapun kani gijing yate kathmu ban pensange ya gijing yaset bat ban wanra biang ya gijing shongsuk ha kani kathan hadian gijing yakan at ki bajur dangshan lakmi lenti babaro arliang ken but dien bha halor gijing mencur kat ba gijing persang kidang yai beteng ban penne ya kasuk kasan mentangin ya pai shaki kubor ya lekai Kaken huan ya lekai na Meghalaya kalalong kaladu ha kalimpung Asmita Kelo India Pencak Silat League arajar arpusan arajar arpunriu kabalalong hasai STC Nehu Campus Shillong. Nadu ka arpunriu tarik hadu ka arpunriu tarik ulber. Kinong lekai na ka Meghalaya Pencak Silat Association kilayo ban kurbun teli kitakma ha kaba ikam timan rimpe Libya matong bad ila shimti kleng kilayo ya katakma ksiar. Shu iban rilang mukti ilayo kur ya katakma rupa katba I promise dora kemded ilayo ya katakma rnong. Kani keken huon ka yalekai hagajing alam jong u president ka association uba dipshan rentatyang kilaya kendo ya menteri ketanat sports u wailat miki shala henen kasni bat lapen kuburam halor gajing job jongki. Kamaulai Sports Club Kelapen Rem ya ka Amlarem Social Club dan laiku la kawai hagajiya kun jangka group C hagalimpung yelekai Meghalaya State League kabalalong hamadan artificial turf kabathamai jangkalat jablem mini stadium West Giant Hills. Hagajiya kun ka Amlarem SC kalayo bantep ya ka kol ka beningkong ha ka minute ka bakhatway lengba u fulmi kongyong hadian kata ka Maulai SC kalala ban penyakhat ha ka minute ka basawpra lengba ka kol jong u farming shooting shu udama bhalang khan ulayo bantep kol ha ka minute ka bahnriyo pholai bat la penbut pat sakaway ka kol lengba u shooting ha ka minute ka bahnriyo phohnyo ha kani ka jinga lekai lawan bansaki da u MDC jongkawar is uba meddling swear u working president ka ASSA uba wansuk lamin bat kiwe Timinta pat nginya pet ya gejing long jingman kasun beneng hakeleng gi benta jong gejela. Hatura kajing kreat kalong arpaway degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong laipo degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong hendriyo pohnyo na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 1 mm. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong khatsan degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpulai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong hnyo saw na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 1 mm. Katba hajowai kajing kreat kalong khat rio degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arposaw degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong nyoposan na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 1 mm kasun beneng kandum o batla bandon kajing hap slap ka ba malumala ha ki babun ki chaka hatura shilong bat jowai shwaban poisha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisin yakimat bakongsan Menjur kekenhuan Menteri Kejala Meghalaya ya kektien KHASI bat garu kongiktien bala itu da kesokat nalor kektien tharing. Yaro Menteri Rangba Kejala Ukonrat Ke Sangma ya kesokat kedeng bawanra ya kean bahak kerpang dikikentai hapo ke ying doba tau ai. Na ajing mut ban itu igi jaka sa nam Kejala hapo ki skim National Tourism jong kesorkar pedeng ka Swadesh Darshan bat Prazan. Syakjit u hariwansh klemdon ba aireng persya kum usembut syongkonor ke ying dorbar Raja Sabha. Bat ladu Kejala Meghalaya hakelempung Kelo India Pencak Silat League arajar apusan arajar apunri. Dia paralog katungila poisha kabukut jong kathup kubo jingi menta kajanmit hadu banginde syambiang bat pila syai kesingi kublai pi baro.